Chapter 6, Problem 4 in the Einstein level. Once again, we have a ratio. And so we have 40 pancakes, 10 eggs. And the question is, well, what if you only want 5 pancakes? So quite a bit less, 5 pancakes. And let's see what we can find for our ratios. And so the first ratio that we can find is divided by 4. So if we take the top and divide by 4, we get the bottom. 40 divided by 4 is 10. We can also get a ratio of 1. So 40 to 10 is like 4 to 1. So there's 4 pancakes per 1. The other thing that we can do is we can get a divide by 8. So 40 divided by 8 is 5. So we're making 8 times fewer pancakes, so we need 8 times fewer eggs. But the interesting thing here is, of course, that can you have a fraction of an egg? And so if we divide 5 by 4, so we could say, oh, well, our ratio is going to be 5 divided by 4, or 8 divided by 10. Well, what is 5 divided by 4? Well, it's hard to divide 5 by 4, but if you say that 5 equals 4 plus 1, then you get something that you can, in fact, divide. Okay, so if we write that over again, we say, well, we've got to divide 5, so the ratio is at the top is 4 times bigger than the bottom, so we're going to do 4 plus 1. Well, 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 1 divided by 4 is a fourth. So is our answer 1 1/4 eggs? Well, you could decide, right? You could say, well, maybe I'll just take 1 egg and be a little short on eggs. So should I do 1 egg? Should I do 2 eggs? Should I take the second egg and then just use a part of it? So strictly speaking, you could say 1 1/4, but if you want to get 1 1/4, you're going to have to break 2 eggs. So it's an interesting question that way.